Okay. So now, today we are going to discuss about the sets. Hope all of you know the sets and you have studied in your previous semesters and even in the schools also. And in the Python, how we can declare, how we can access, how we can handle a set, we are going to discuss in this class. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. A set is a collection of which is unordered and unindexed. Some of the words you please try to remember. Written with curly brackets. A simplest example is shown in this line. This set equal to, just I have taken apple, banana, cherry, and just I am printing how it will print. As a curly brace only it will print. And a set is useful for removing the duplicates from a sequence. Just read it twice or thrice. Or if you want, you can copy down 1 or 2 points from this. After 1 minute, I'll go to the next slide. And many are joining now the meeting. And today I had to admit all the students because invitation could not reach most of the students. And there may be a restriction on the number of emails. Even though I am sending one group email, I don't know whether it is considering as a 90 or 1. So today I did it a few times. But anyway, we'll see in the next class. So set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed, written with curly brackets. One simplest example is shown to you. This set equal to apple, banana, cherry. I am printing whatever I have assigned to the set, it will be printed on the screen. Now, let us go to the next slide. Read this. It may be a duplication, what we have discussed. The same sentence may repeat. A useful for removing the duplicates from a sequence and for determining the union, intersection, and difference between the two collections. We use this sets. Set object cannot be indexed. This is very important. Remember, cannot be indexed, cannot be sliced, but they can be iterated over, tested for membership, and they support the length built-in functions. These two words you please try to remember. Sets cannot be indexed and cannot be sliced. These things we will come to know in the later discussion. I want you people to remember these two words, cannot be indexed and cannot be sliced. What is the meaning, sir? With example, we are going to discuss in the later class. I want you people to read it once. I take another 30 seconds. Just read it. We are lagging a lot, but the next class I will try to go a little fast because portion is too much. Compared to other division, we are lagging a lot, even though number of classes are same. Otherwise, we have to put extra classes. That's another problem, but existing timetable may be hectic for you. So let us go to the next slide. So I want you people to type the output in the chat box. I have assigned s equal to set 1, 1, 4, 3, something like that, and print set s equal to I am printing s, and length of the set equal to len of s. I want you people to just type what might be the print yes, and surprise you can simply type as a yes. No need to type surpric. It will take time or a number of characters will become more. I want you people to just type the two outputs what you are expecting on the screen. One is a print s and there is a length of the set. It may be wrong also. I want you people to type in the screen in the chat box. Let me see, and no doubt I will share the answer with you people within a few seconds. Just type the answers. S equal to what it will print on the screen. The same thing, 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, something you type it. At least one person starts so that others will also type. Maybe wrong also. Simply type according to you what should be printed. When I print set s equal to s. The same s, this is s equal to I am assigning set of this. Actually curly brace I use it. Even this is another way how I can assign also. what it will assign s equal to 11432222 is 3413. I am doing, I lost the connection. Duplicates. Hence, the result, when I execute this, duplicates will be removed, only one will be kept instead of so many ones. You may have more than twos, only one 2 will be there, only one 3, only one 4 will be there. So this is a very important, which you have to remember. Take a 1 minute, understand, and length, not length of these, whatever I have. Now length of this is a 5. Take a 40-50 seconds. Please remember this, understand this. 1, 2, 3, 4 followed by S. S is nothing but a surprise. I think Sindhu has typed. And Harshavardhan has typed keeping a duplicates. Suraj Sheth has typed keeping a duplicates. Marian has typed keeping a duplicates. Darshini has also typed. Previous to Darshini, many might have typed, but I lost that because of the internet issue. Now I want you people to remember this, so that whenever I ask you to type your answer, you will not do such mistake again. So take another 9 seconds and please remember this so that next time you will tell a correct answer. Let us go to the next slide. See here, otherwise I will go one by one. Okay, it is better. This is better. Now set is same I have taken. Hope all of you will remember. Now I am printing s equal to, set s equal to, hope the answer will remain same. 1, 2, 3, 4 s, just now Sindhu has typed, answer will remain same. The same thing I am showing you. The second is now, observe the screen carefully. Now I am printing length of the set. How much is the length of the set? You have just now done it, it is a 5. Next, what I am doing, observe here, see here, s dot add orange. Next, after execution of this, I am printing print of s. What will the answer? Can you type? When I say add orange, I am adding orange to the set. Existing is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have. Orange I am adding. What is the answer? You can observe here. Okay, Akshay, Nidhi, all are typing orange. Very good. I will get a orange along with the order is not a problem. You can type beginning orange, then you can write surprise or first surprise, then you can write orange. No problem. It is correct only. Most of you are typing a correct answer. Akshita, Sri Lakshmi, Bibi Mariam, and Rohan, Akshay, Baslingappa, Parvati Devi. You can just see the answer. Jnanashri, Sahana, Sanju, and Ganesh, Suresh, Sheth, Kirti. Everybody is getting the same answer. Just see the orange you have typed, then surprise is there. Whatever you have typed, Soumya, Jnanashri, Nilambika, Hrishikesh Kulkarni, all of you have typed is correct answer. Now, what I do next line, yes, update. Once again, I am updating. Another is orange, mango, grapes. What might be the answer when I print it? See, I am printing it. Now, can you write what is the answer? One extra will be there. What is that? Now orange I am adding, mango I am adding, grapes. No need to type all. You can say OMG like that. Okay, SOMG. Many are typing perfect answer. Nobody is typing orange twice. I am very happy to see your chart because nobody is typing orange twice. The way they have done. Aishwarya, one you are missing, and you can say, oh my god, OMG, OSG somebody is typing while typing fast. Ganesh, very good. And Srinivas, Akshay, Pooja, all are typing the correct answer. Just cross verify your answer. And yes, OMG, correct. Order is not important. Just you should know what is that. And some students are putting a square bracket and not needed. See the output, what you will get. Now what I am doing next is, I am printing the length. Hope all of you can see what is the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? What is the length? Can you count it and type your answer in the chat box? Very good. Kruti, Jnana, everybody is typing so fast. Even I can't read their names. Sindhu, Sahana, Jyoti, Sanjana, Sumeru has typed some other answer. Okay, Neelambika, Sumeru, Aparna. All have typed the correct answer. Answer is 8. Perfectly right what you have typed. And last, I am removing the orange. Now I am printing the yes. What might be the answer after removing? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. But O will not be there. Lakshmi Priya has typed. Very good. Nidhi has typed. And Parvati Devi, Aishwarya, Sahana, Suhas, Balakrishna, Suresh Shade. O will not be there. Sindhu has typed. And Vandana, Kirti, all have typed correct answer. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Grape, surprise, mango is there. But orange has been removed. This is the way how you have to access, how to update, how to find the length of the set, how to delete an element in the set. So these are the functions you have to remember so that you can make use of these functions whenever you are going to write your own programs. And Sanjana, Shrikant, BB Mariam has typed the correct answer. Akshay and Ram Prasad, everybody has typed very correct answer. I am very happy to see your answers. And the same slide, let me go to the next slide. Read this. The set method add is used to add elements to the set. These are the functions you can use. Removed by using the discard method. You can also use the pop method to remove an element or an item. But this method will remove the last item. Clear remove all the elements from the set. You can do execution some instructions. Take 1 minute, you can note down or you can read it. We will try to execute at least pop and clear. Similarly, you can try the discard and all later. We will use a pop and clear. We will write a few instructions and a small program. We will try to discuss the output of that particular program. Take 1 minute, another 30 seconds you can take. Simply read it. Just a few more seconds I will take. Let me open the MS Word so that I can copy the content whatever you have typed so far. Okay. Let me go to this slide. Instead of this asking all the answers at a time, I will ask one at a time. Okay. Now, Kruti will check it. Okay. We'll see that, we'll execute, and let me take this example. Just a minute. Yeah. So I have taken the same S equal to set 1144 and I'm printing the set. All of you know the answer. It will print the same. Now I'm doing P1 equal to S pop. So P1 I'm printing. So according to you, what you are going to get? You can write. Okay. Pop means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I am printing what? Whether I am printing S or I am printing P1. Please remember what I am printing. Whether I am printing S, whether I am printing P1, that you check it. See the output here. Okay. And while writing, we may write left to right. But when it's popping, the popping is left. We'll try with a few more examples. Please try to observe this carefully. Okay, what I am printing, and see here, don't type your answers continuously. Observe carefully. And even I will share the code also. You can check it. Whether it will pop surprise, whether it will pop 1. You can execute and you can check it. Okay. Now see the second. Now I am printing S equal to now. Most of you have already typed S equal to. After removing pop, most of you have removed surprise. Now I told pop means P1 equal to 1. Then remaining after 1, whatever is there, that will be printed when I say print S. Now what I'm doing, P2 I'm clearing. P2 equal to S dot clear. I'll print P2 now. I'll print P2, and the answer you observe here, when I clear, none will be there. When I clear, none will be there. And what I do last instruction, when I say print S, so S will be having nothing. Aishwarya has typed that answer, it will be having nothing. So take a 1 minute, I'll give you the 1 minute, just to go through it, and you can execute the program, no problem. If time permits, I'll share the code also. Today I don't know whether possible or not. At least another class we'll put extra class, you can execute all the programs. If you wish, we'll put extra class, otherwise we'll go fast and we'll finish the portion. Both are okay for me. And now you just go through and you can execute and you can check it, whether it will remove the surprise or it will move one. You can check it. No doubt ambiguity will be there, doubts will be there. Whenever doubts are there, it's good. So that shows you are learning. When no doubt means there are two extremes. You might have understood everything, you might have not understood anything. Doubts are there means definitely you are trying to learn something. So we'll see with the example, another example. We'll try to execute also. So let us go to the next. Remember this, just read it. The set method, add is used to add the element. The clear method empties the set. The delete keyword will delete the set completely, is very important. Remove the last item by using a pop. The same points are included, but one important point is Shiva is adding now at 4 o'clock. I don't know why. Again, he didn't ask. Anyway, now I want you people to just read it. Take maybe a repetition, 1 or 2 lines, but one word, one sentence I want you people to read it twice. The delete keyword will delete the set completely. I want you people to read this. Just I'll take a few more seconds and I'll open your Python class chart information where I'm dumping, so that I can copy all the chart information. So let me go to the next. Okay. You can type S for SDM, G for GID, B for BEB. Set equal to S equal to set of, or I can use a curly brace also. Both are okay. And S becomes, remove the duplicates, it will become S. S2 becomes SDM, GID, BEB. You can type S only. And I'm updating S2. S dot, update S2. What will be the answer when I print S? Think, take a 1 minute. Type completely what will be in the S. Hrishikesh Kulkarni has typed S, SDM, GB, okay, correct. S for surprise, then another S for SDM, okay, good. GIT, BAB, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Sahana has typed, Akshay has typed, and Pooja Chalagiri has typed. All correct answers. Very good. Vandana, Satvik. And Jnanashri, Akanksha, all are typing the correct answer. Rohan, Aditi, Parvati Devi, Sanju, Hegde, Pavan. Okay, I'll show you the answer. No doubt what you have typed. This is the answer. Most of you have typed. A surprise, SDM, GIT, BEB. Just I have taken a local example so that everybody will understand. They are taking some foreign names. Better to take a local name so that you will be familiar and it will be easy to understand. Take another 10 seconds and try to see this. Then I'll go to the next slide. Let me go to the next slide. Okay. The output, what I'm doing, A equal to, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I am taking. Print a union of these two. All of you know union means what? Union of these two. This is the one way how I can do the union. Another way I can use built-in function union. Both will give the same answer. You can observe the output. See, the answers will remain both the cases same. And I am printing the same thing. And then intersection also I can use AND operation. I can use intersection built-in function and answer will remain same. Then I am doing the difference using the this symbol. I am finding a 1, 2, 3. And symmetric difference A and B I am using another symbol. I am printing. Take a 1 minute. Just go through this slide and try to understand. And you can make changes in the A and B. And you can execute the code later. I'll share the code with you. All of you can execute by making changes in the A and B and observe the output when I do the intersection, when I do the union, and these things you can just change the content, observe, and you can understand. Why Shiva is so late? Every time he is coming late, I think. Today he caught. So just take another 18 seconds so that even if you want you can copy. If the time permits, I'll share the code with you all. Nothing is it. It's the intersection and I have a union, intersection and the difference. So let me go to the next slide. Okay. I want you people to write the output. It's very simple. A equal to, I am assigning, again B equal to I am assigning, the union of A and B. Print 1 in A. What is the output? Either you can say true or false. Similarly 9 in B. And for the letters in set SDMCET, print letter. Okay, many students are typing the answers. Very good. And I'll show you the answer. You can compare what you have typed, your answer with what I am showing. And if find both are same, then it is good. Or if you feel your answers are different, okay, let me take a 10 seconds, then I'll show you the answer. Majority answers are same, true, false, everybody is telling. And let me show you the answers also. True, then false. Everybody is telling true first, then false. Okay, it is Akshita, Jnanashri, Sindhu, Hegde, Sahana. I'll show you the output. True, false, what you have told is correct. And for letters in set, when I say set, don't expect S, D, M, C, E, T only. Even if you have written, no problem. Shiva, network issues, okay. It was not joining, sorry sir, okay. Now, this you might have written S, D, M, C, E, T, but it may change the order. Okay, that is the one point which you have to remember. So let me go to the next. Just read it. It's very simple. Set 1 equal to ABC. Set 2 equal to 1, 2, 3. Set 1 dot update set 2. Print S set 1. Both union and update will exclude any duplicate items. This you have seen it twice, thrice already. Just it is given in the textbook. I am repeating for your understanding. So whenever duplicate items are there, so those will be excluded. This one line you have to remember from this particular slide. Let me go to the next. Okay, I think Suraj Shait has told he is going to take a few minutes and he will share some of the information. Be ready, have 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes you can take for your preparation, so that 2 minutes I will engage now. Let us take another 2 slides. Some terms from the set theory, all of you know. I want you people to read these things. Subset, superset, all these things you have studied, but just go through once meaning of those. You may be knowing all the answers. Take a 1 minute to read this. So that your friends also parallelly will become ready. Another one more slide is there, I'll show. For that you can take another 30-40 seconds. Then I'll pause my discussion, I'll stop, and then your classmate will share the whatever the knowledge he is having. All of us will learn from him. Then, depending upon the timing, we'll continue our discussion. And videos I have already shared with your classmates. I want somebody to come forward to trim those things. You can just edit a little bit, cut and paste you can do, because in between you will be having a lot of pause, a lot of time I am spending. So it's difficult to upload the as it is in the YouTube. Otherwise I have to prepare a separate video. But anyway, I have shared with your few students, but I'll share in the classroom once if they give the green signal or if somebody come forward to edit it. So let me go to the next, take another 1 minute, just read it. Intersection all of you know, union all of you know. Two sets are said to be disjoint if they have no elements in common. So these are some terminologies we use in the set theory. I want you people to just read it and understand. Most of you will be remembering all these things already. But with respect to Python, you just remember so that we may do these operations in some of the programs. Another 10 seconds you can take. Okay, let me go to the next slide, and I'm sure Surat Shet may be ready, and I'll stop sharing and so that he can start sharing whatever slide or whatever the screen he is having. Give me a few seconds so that I can stop presenting. Surat Shet, you can start. Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Gopal. Sir, I want to share the screen first, sir.
No problem. I have stopped. Now it is left to you people who will do first. Goprapa, you can start.
Yes.
You can share the screen. Okay, it's coming. It will take another few seconds. Goprapa. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I wanted to share that which IDE I am using for practicing Python. So I came across various IDE like PyCharm and Spider, and both of them were very popular. I tried PyCharm, but it was very heavy for my PC. So the Spider was very light and it would take very few seconds to load. So I chose this one. So I wanted to give some introduction about this one. So how to download the Spider is type Spider in the Google. Just go to their homepage. The first link will be their official website. Go there and go all the way down. You can select this one, download Spider with Anaconda. And here this Anaconda's official website that will be displayed. And here again you have to go all the way down. And depending on your OS, you can select which version you want, like 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your PC's processor. So you can have 64-bit, so I am using this one. So you can click this and it will start downloading. I will not be downloading since I have already downloaded it. See, when you download this Anaconda, it will come with the packages of various items in this, like Anaconda Navigator, Prompt Shell, Prompt, Jupyter Notebook, and Spider. In this we can use anything, but I am using Spider Anaconda 3. So when you open this one, you can see this window. Here this one at the left corner we have the editor window, this command window where you can type all the codes, and here at the right bottom corner you will get the output window. So I'll share one example, this one. sir had said in last class, I have edited it. You can save all the files and you can also access navigate your files here in the top right corner. So after and running this one is simple. You can either click this one and here will be the output, or else you can click F5 on your keyboard. See.
Yes.
And also you can also if you want to make it act like an interpreter, you can click on any line and click F9 or this one. So it will show only the it will look this one. See, I am here pressing and running this line. So car of the year, color red. Only this line is executing. I'll execute this one. Address of after red ID, car of the year. Only this one. If you want the whole thing to execute, then F5 or this one. Similarly, here on the top left corner we have this one. We can get all the plots. I'll share one example of graph plotting. Here, code is already created. You can just press F5 and wait, and you can see here the output. So you can adjust the sizes according to your need, and there are various interesting things, tools like preferences. One thing I liked about this is this dark theme, not actually dark theme, but navy blue theme, which will not be hard on your eyes. So there are many interesting things which even I need to explore more about this. We can explore and make our code look very attractive, so that we can practice more and more. Similarly, in this, if we click the Anaconda package, there are various other IDEs like Jupyter Lab, and there is a learning section where you can get all the Python tutorials, references, manuals, and all about all these things. Similarly, this Jupyter Lab, we can launch that one also, and these things will be shared by Suraj. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gopi. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Now I will try to explain about how to download Jupyter Notebook for Python 3 and how to use it. I will explain how much I know to use Jupyter Notebook. There are still advanced options are there. Now I will presenting my screen. Sir, his screen is visible.
No, not okay. A few seconds. Wait for a second. It's coming. Yeah. Now it's visible. You can continue.
Okay, thank you, sir. I hope Gopi explained how to install. I have one PDF regarding installation of Anaconda so that I can show you. This is a PDF regarding how to download Jupyter Notebook for Python. Follow the instructions below. Step 1, go to this website and your web page will look like this.
If possible, can you share that link in the chat so that everybody can copy it?
Sure.
HTTP is there, na? That is just copy and paste in the chat box so that others can take it easily, because screenshot they have to take and they have to type it. Yeah, in the chat box you type it. Yeah, thank you. So that others can simply copy down this and they can simply make use of it. Thank you. Continue.
Just go to this website so that your web page will visible like this. Then scroll down to Anaconda installer and install Python 3.7 latest version for the appropriate operating systems. It is explained by Gopi. And step 3, once the Anaconda Navigator is downloaded, now run the Anaconda Navigator package from the downloaded file location and click next and agree for terms and conditions here. Click on agree and terms and conditions and click on next. Then select just me, add and click next. Here we should click on just me. It is recommended for the student versions. Then press on next. Then step 5, click next and install the software package. Here we need to choose here register Anaconda 3 as my default Python. Means this will allow other programs such as Python tools for Visual Studio, PyCharm, etc. to automatically detect Anaconda as the primary Python on the systems. Click here and then install. And this is the step 6. Just finish up the installation and you are all set. Means once the installation is completed, our Anaconda will look like this. Now I will show my Anaconda navigator here. Yeah, once we install, and shortcut icon will be available in the desktop, so that the Anaconda navigator will look like this. I am explaining about the Jupyter notebook. Spider explained by the Gopi and Jupyter Lab is explained by the Gopi. To launch Jupyter notebook, press launch here. Once we are press launching here, it is going to load here, and I already launched this here. Once I launch the Jupyter notebook, the web page will look like this. Here I have various my Python works. So very important thing here we need to do is we need to go here to new. Then we need to select Python 3. This is the must procedure. Once I press this Python 3, another page will be open. Will look like this. The each cell, this IN square brackets, we call it as a cell where we can write the codes here. And here we can verify that we are in a Python 3 page. And for the cell, I can choose which format. Now presently it is in a code. For example, I can write one statement here. So I just run this. It is in a code. So that I will just press run. Yes. Yes, it is getting executed. And another option is that in place of code, if I choose markdown here, then it will not give error. Means it is like just we can write a comment, so that I can write it as a chapter. Or log that any comments or anything I have to note down. If I put this in markdown and write, it will not give error. Means it is not in a code block. And this is about the raw NB convert is same as markdown, and heading, if I choose as a heading, it will look like in a brighter and color will be changed. And we can use hash 2 times, then it will be size will be small, hash 3 times, small size will another will be small. Like that we can use this heading. And we have one icon here. This is to save my work, and this is to add the cell, and this is to remove the cell. And here we can copy the selected cells, and here we can paste the cells below whatever we are chosen. And these are move selected cells upward and move selected cells downwards, and this is for running the code. And once we completed with the code, then we can go to file and directly download as ASCII documents or HTML documents, a latex, markdown or a PDF directly. And now I will show you one program so that it is very easy. And my code will be here, so that I can click here. Just select here and view. So that in this way, we are writing the code here and we are getting output below here only. Same thing we can done here. And if you are getting any errors here, so that below that only we will getting errors, and output will look like this. And we can change these names as a matplotlib or my name, anything, and it will give at what date we are created like this. It is very easy, and we can directly download this in a PDF format. Thank you, sir. That's all about the Jupyter notebook.
Okay, thank you, both of you. I think Suraj Shade has done, and Goprepa, thank you both of you. And beginning, even I executed before I taking the classes, I executed few in the Spider and even Jupyter also. But then I decided not to use anything. Let me try in the mobile, because most of the students will be using a mobile. They will be having a habit of always keeping a mobile with them. Then I intentionally use the computer where nothing is there in that computer. No Jupyter, no Spider. Just I tried using online simulations, and just I am sharing the same thing with the students so that they can use a mobile and do it. And many, if you have any mobile versions, even where there is no need of internet, but nowadays internet is available everywhere. So they can try in the online simulator also. And these conversion of PDF and all is possible, whatever your friends have told, Suraj State and Koprepa. So please explore that and try to learn, because most of you will be having a laptop, and utilize that, because you might have paid several thousand rupees for that. Utilize it, install it and use it. Okay, thank you. And let me take another few minutes. Let me present my slide. Okay, it is there already. Just I'll ask out of syllabus one question I will ask. Let me share the slide. We'll see how you answer. I want each one of you to type your answer in the, yeah, it should be available. 1 minute. I don't know why it's not showing. Share. Yeah, it is coming now. I want you people to type your answer in the chat box. Whatever comes in your mind, just type it, and we'll see. Is it visible? Screen is visible to you? Anyone of you can unmute and say yes, or type yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now see here the question. I want you people to read it and answer some parameters what you use. Thank you, Kruti. How you compare a life of a person A and a life of a person B? How do you say person A's life is very good compared to person B, or vice versa? List some parameters on what basis you are going to say A is good or B's life is good. Not person, his life. Okay? And whatever you are typing, you can remember for a longer time later. That last line you can leave it. But beginning lines, you just read it, and I want you people to type it, whatever is coming in the mind. Let me see. You are thinking. There is no marks for this, even though if you tell anything. Lifestyle, education, income, Nidhi, thank you very much. You are given the few points. Abhishek, behavior, character, Akshay, very good. And nothing will be wrong in this. Peace, Rishikesh, Ganesh, based on parents. Sanju, attitude, very good. Thank you for all your parameters, whatever you are sharing. Health, Shiva, very good. And both are right. Okay. You type it, Srikanth. Sindhu, lifestyle, happiness, satisfaction, health and satisfaction. Okay, Lakshmi Priya, thank you. And others, let me see what they type. Behavior, attitude, happiness, satisfaction, knowledge, and work satisfaction. Very good, Sahana. And knowledge, happiness and satisfaction, Surashit, thank you. And knowledge and health, Goprepa. His happiness based on his passion. Okay. Settled in life, family attitude. Anusha is telling, settled in life. We'll see one of these points later. What is the meaning of that? Contributions to the society. Very good. Priyanka, Sumeru, knowledge and attitude, satisfaction, Jnanasri. A is happy, has a better methodology of living and has a good health. Kruti is typing, and has a good idea and copes with a problem better. Okay. Character and attitude, Arshia, she is typing. Okay. Anybody, any other points? Okay. I want you people to just type it, how you say. Even though you are typing answers, it will make you to think. Attitude, knowledge, character, happiness. Namrata, thank you for typing these parameters. Let me see others also. Everyone, I want you people to type whatever is coming in your mind. What you are typing, just remember for a longer time, so that you too can lead a very good life according to you only. Anybody else? Only these many? I think some other points. How the deal with the problem encountered in the life. Amit, very good. Believe and happiness. Rohan is typing. Being confident, Sahana is typing. Thank you. Anybody else? Let me read few more. Has a happy family if we are seeing a span of 30 years. Kruti, okay, thank you. Anybody is typing some other? Self-motivated, Disha, okay, thank you. No point is wrong in this. Nothing is wrong. It's our views, how we compare. Let me see a few more answers from you. How we can say A's life is good. Health and happiness, behavior. Anusha, thank you. Anybody else? This is the way how you compare, all of you. Happy to see your answers. Humanity, Pooja. Humble, yeah, very good points, Goprepa. Honesty, idea of treating everyone equality, not being jealous. Very good, thank you, Goprepa. How kind he is, Akshay is typing. That is also very important. And discipline, yeah, Akash is typing. How much he is sacrificing? Very good. That is also very important. Hrishikesh is typing. How discipline, okay, and Jnanashri is typing hard work. Based on that, you can say person A, his life is good and B is compared to B. Okay, only these are the points you are getting now in your mind. Any other additional points? If you have, you can write struggle. Okay. Sanjana is telling struggle. If A is struggling more compared to B, dedication towards work. Rishikesh Kulkarni. Okay, respect. Who is having that? Okay, thank you. All of the points what you are writing, change according to the situation. Who is doing? Vachan Shetty, good point. Any other 1 or 2 points? Then we'll try to wind up. And remember how others are comparing A and B, and how you are comparing A and B. But I'm happy. Most of them they didn't type money. I think nobody has typed amount or cash or a property, something like that. I'm very happy to see such a batch. I expected many will type if he's rich or money is more, something like that. I didn't find anybody out of 65 students are typing like that. Thank you. I'm very happy to see such a batch. And we'll try to conclude the class now. And next class we'll continue the set. We have another subtopic in the set. Those we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. We'll see you in the next class. And I'll be there for another 5 minutes. If anybody is interested to talk to me, I'll be there for 5 minutes. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day. Be safe.